Hello, I'm going to do the ombre edit on her wrap for you guys. This is going to be in the group only, so if you do watch it and use it and utilize it on your photos and share, and people ask, can you please refer them to the group so the group can grow? It's not going to be available on Etsy or YouTube or anywhere else. Okay. So the first thing I did was make my image a little bit brighter because I want the shadows to be a little brighter in the image. Okay. And then just go ahead and flatten that. You might not even need to do that. I just needed to do it for this specific photo. And then I went over, this isn't using any actions or anything, this was all by hand, and select the wrap or the dress. You can use lasso too if you want. This is just how I choose to do it. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you can go back in and paint it on. Just trying to get it close enough. Sorry, my dog just like hacked. Okay. And then I'm going to duplicate the image, create a layer mask, and then I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to create a clipping mask on that layer, right click clipping mask. I'm going to go to my gradient tool and I'm going to click up here on the gradient, and there should be like defaults in here. I used, I think, an orange or a purple. I don't remember which one I used. It doesn't really matter. To match your photo, pretty much. Let me just look at them real quick. Wasn't greens. I want to say it wasn't orange. Actually, it was this one. It was under reds. It was this one. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Click OK. And I'm going to zoom out. And I'm just going to click on one side, drag to the other. And as you can see, starting up here, the shadows are over here and the light's coming from this way. So edit, undo, I'm going to come from this way. And then I'm going to go up to my blending mode and I'm going to do soft light. Ta-da! So pretty. Okay, so, and then to fix, and you can like mess around with, come over here and get rid of that. Like it depends on how far you click and drag it, how far you kind of want the overlay or the gradient, like your colors, you can play around with it. And of course you can also change like the gradient you're using, so it can be different colors. But I'm going to go with my initial one. Soft light, and then you just go in and you click down here on the mask and use a soft brush to 100%. I'm only at 10%, 100% opacity. White to brush on, black to brush off, and then just fix up the edges, which you guys should know how to do that, so I'm not going to go into full detail on that. But ta-da, that's it. The backdrop, the backdrop that I used with this, I'm going to do a different tutorial because I'm going to include that in the listing for those backdrops in my Etsy shop. But that's it. Super simple.